Welcome guys, what's up? So today I'm here with Premium Lace Wig once more. It's the same packaging as before. So once I open the box, I see the wig and we got some goodies. So I got this bag here with some clips, hairpins, and extra elastic band. I got a rat tail comb. I got a pair of lashes. You can rub it. I got a wig cap and this Premium Lace Wig booklet. Alright, so this has hair care tips and their email, social media, their contacts, all that good stuff, and has different styles on the inside as well. And that's everything that came in the box. So today's wig is a Brazilian virgin hair lace front wig. As you can see, it has a deep parting here, and on the sides it's not as deep, so it's like a 13 by 6 parting. In the middle portion, it's a standard cap construction. It has a total of 4 combs on the inside and adjustable straps in the back. It is lightly pre-plucked as well, and it is some deep curly hair that we're working with. It's 14 inches long, so it's a nice curly bob, and it's a medium cap size. The lace color is also brown. It's a medium brown color, and yeah, the hair is a natural color, 1B. So these curls are feeling very soft and full. So far I've gotten just a little shedding from just running my hand through the hair, so minimal shedding is definitely there. So yeah, that's how that looks. It's a free part, by the way, so you can go ahead and part this on the side, in the middle, anywhere you wish to part it. So now that I've shown you guys the wig, let's go ahead and move on to application.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh, yeah.
I didn't have to cut off much of the ear portion because it came pretty exact. As I said, it's a medium cap size and it's lightly plucked, so I'm going to actually alright, so today we're going to switch up the adhesive. I'm using my ORS Olive Oil Fix It Super Hold Spray. We'll dry it on cool air, so we're going to go ahead and jump into just laying everything right across. So let's go.
Got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know that my heartbeat needed skipping out, no I can't keep score when I lose my breath. Boy, you got me.
And I think I'm gonna do a center part for this look, so I'm just applying just a little bit more of my holding spray to further melt the lace down.
Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher.
So guys, this hair is like super full. That's really nice. So I have to be laying it with my hot comb, making sure it's really nice and flat, and then I'm gonna make the parting more precise as well with some concealer. Perfect for the summertime. Very nice and full. Look at that. I know a lot of people love the volume with their curly hair, so you could go ahead and leave it just like this, or you could go ahead and do the wet look. So I'm gonna get it wet, but just with water. That's all that's in the bottle. It's really easy to brush through, no hassle at all. and it's still so full. That's the finished look, guys. Be sure to check out my description box for all the specifications and the direct link to this wig. Shout out again to Premium Lace Wig for this gorgeous curly wig today, and I'll see you guys in my next video.